Hello, I'm Kimmo Sasi, member of Council of Europe Parliamentary Assembly. I'm very saddened that Mr. Khodorkovsky is still in prison 10 years after his imprisonment, this time in Karelia, close to my own country, Finland. Mr. Khodorkovsky tried to reform the economic ways of doing business, being transparent, open, and following the Western rules. Unfortunately, his example was not taken because it had been a great advance for the Russian economy to have Western economic rules for the businesses. But in fact, his imprisonment was a political act by the Russian state. It has been discussed and decided upon in the Court of Human Rights in Strasbourg. And the process, it was a catastrophe. There's a report written by the previous German Minister of Justice that clearly shows the problems, and that was discussed in this assembly. And I urge that Mr. Khodorkovsky would be released. I think his input for the Russian society as a free man would be very useful. And I think he would give new nuances for the politics, for the economic life in Russia. And I think Russia should indeed follow the human rights. It has been taken when she joined the Council of Europe, so that there is rule of law in the country and people are judged on their own merits. And indeed, so if Russia wants to develop, so there must be freedom of speech in the country, and there may not be imprisonment on political grounds in the country. And I urge the Russian authorities to take measures to release free Mr. Khodorkovsky. Thank you so much.